Initially, Faculty of Education was well known as STKIP Kebangkitan Nasional, or Sampurna School of Education, that was established in year 2009. Since year 2013, STKIP Kebangkitan Nasional, or SSE, has transformed into Faculty of Education under Universitas Siswa Bangsa International, or USB. The transformation is aimed at developing this institution and its quality as well. That is to make Faculty of Education Indonesia's premier institution that creates high-quality educators.
Universitas Siswa Bangsa Internasional itu memiliki keunikan tersendiri. Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan itu mendidik tenaga pendidik masa depan di Indonesia yang memiliki kekhususan tertentu, yang memiliki keunikan tertentu. Nah, apa kekhususan dan keunikannya itu? Karena kita mendidik mereka untuk masa depan, sesuatu yang tidak bisa kita prediksi sebelumnya.
One thing that is so great about the Faculty of Education at USB is that we view education as a tool for being able to progress into many different directions in your life. Education is the process of how to improve someone's skills, change someone's mindset, change their behavior, and increase their knowledge. These are things that are so important, obviously, if you want to become a classroom teacher, but also in many other fields that you could pursue after your degree.
Saya merasa sangat gembira bisa mengajar di sini karena apa yang saya alami selama saya mengajar di sini merupakan sebuah kekayaan batin buat saya. Faculty of Education sangat unik. Kami menerapkan teaching learning yang sangat unik. Kami melakukan active learning, kemudian collaborative learning, dan banyak sekali kegiatan dengan mahasiswa yang membutuhkan kreativitas mereka sekaligus kemampuan untuk menganalisis mereka.
Selama mengajar di sini, saya merasa bahwa daya dukung seperti fasilitas baik itu perpustakaan, lab komputer, lab multimedia itu betul-betul menunjang proses pembelajaran yang membuat mahasiswa itu benar-benar mendapatkan daya dukung yang cukup dan layak dalam proses pembelajaran mereka. Dan ini akan menyiapkan mereka untuk benar-benar menjadi pemimpin dalam bidang pendidikan dan bisa menjawab tentang pendidikan di abad ke-21 sesuai dengan misi dan visi dari Fakultas Pendidikan Universitas Siswa Bangsa itu sendiri.
Belajar matematika di sini sangat berbeda dengan belajar di kampus lain karena di sini bisa belajar matematika dengan menyenangkan dan para calon siswa nanti akan menjadi pendidik yang profesional dan tahu bagaimana cara mengajarkan matematika dengan menyenangkan.
Yang menarik di Faculty of Education, USB, kami menciptakan pendidik yang juga peduli terhadap keadaan lingkungan. Bukan hanya peduli, tapi juga pendidik yang bisa berpartisipasi dengan masyarakat untuk melakukan satu kegiatan positif, untuk merancang satu kegiatan aksi bersama masyarakat untuk menanggulangi masalah lingkungan hidup yang ada di Indonesia.
Tapi kita mempersiapkan mereka sebagai tenaga pendidik yang tahu bagaimana berinteraksi dengan siswa secara percaya diri, bermutu, memiliki penguasaan materi yang luar biasa, dan kemudian juga mampu menyampaikannya dalam dua bahasa, yaitu bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia. Kemudian juga bisa berinteraksi melalui teknologi mutakhir.
And as we begin to prioritize our research, you'll find that when you're here, you'll get your studies, but you also will be part of such an important knowledge generation process that you will be able to help affect education not only at this school but all over the country. Our connections with the other units in the Putra Sampurna Foundation strengthen our own programs, and we'll have the opportunity to work with many other units within our own educational ecosystem to give you the best experiences that you can find anywhere.
I'd like to describe Usbi as a really fertile agricultural land where the seeds, the students, are planted here and taken care by the passionate farmers, the lecturers. And the lecturers are really excellent in taking care of the students and the seeds. So whatever the seeds they are, could be vegetables, could be fruits, could be flowers. They're really growing fruitfully. They are really growing fast and really give impact to the society where they are living.
The learning activity here is very interesting. The lecturers use various teaching methodologies that can encourage our motivation to study here. Not only that, my faculty have many types of assessment, not only paper and pencil tests that I've ever assessed by making a video, micro-teaching, and design educational games.
I feel really grateful to be part of this institution because this institution has a different learning atmosphere from any other institution I've ever known. Well, the lecturers here, they are really, really great because they don't only inspire me, but also they encourage me as a student to learn here and also motivate me.
And for enhancing our teaching skill, there is also a special course which is micro-teaching. On that course, we are expected to develop and practice our teaching skill by applying the learning theories that we get in pedagogical course.
And I think I found myself on the right track as the next generation of this country. My potential, my intelligences and my uniqueness are really appreciated well in this campus. So in Usbi you will see what really the meaning of learning, and you will feel the atmosphere of education in the newest to face the next or the challenge in this century.
One thing that very valuable that I get from this faculty is School Experience Program. The School Experience Program provides students an opportunity to implement what we have learned in the campus to the school.
Kami merasa terbantu dengan bagaimana mahasiswa-mahasiswa Usbi bisa menampilkan gaya mengajar yang memang kalau kami boleh bilang disukai oleh anak-anak. Bagaimana mereka berinteraksi, bagaimana mereka bisa menciptakan manajemen kelas yang baik dengan penggunaan ICT based learning yang memang kita gunakan sehari-hari. Mereka mampu mengelola sistem pembelajaran dengan baik.
And one thing that I really impressed for them, they are able to use ICT instruments very, very well. They use sophisticated method in teaching, and they are able to create very, very attractive, very interesting method in order to attract students to learn more, to love in learning English.
Percayalah bahwa Fakultas Pendidikan dari Universitas Siswa Bangsa Internasional akan memberikan yang terbaik kepada bangsa Indonesia, yaitu menciptakan tenaga-tenaga pendidik berkaliber nasional maupun internasional untuk kemajuan bangsa kita bersama.
So for you who want to get the real experience in preparing yourself to be a professional teacher, Usbi is the best university for you.